newest update is location tagging for social posts. This feature allows you to add specific geographical locations to your social media posts, enhancing engagement and local relevance for your audience. As far as benefits go, this is going to increase local engagement because now you can attract more local customers. It's going to boost your visibility because it is going to improve your post's visibility within local searches. It's also going to enhance your marketing strategy because now you are going to be able to integrate this location based marketing right into your social media strategy. As far as practical use goes, now when you create a post about a special event or promotion happening at your business location, tagging the location will help attract local attendees and it's going to increase that foot traffic to your event or your promotion. Let me show you exactly how to do this. First, you're going to need to create a new post. To do that, you want to be in marketing in the main left-hand navigation. And then once you're there in the upper navigation, you're going to go to the social planner. From there, I want you to click on plus new post. And in the drop-down, I'd like you to create a new post. Now, make sure that your social accounts are all set up and then go ahead and post to those accounts. Now, you're going to add a location. You'll notice this new icon, which is the location tagging icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now, select your location and save. You can preview the added location within your editing area. And when it's live, you're going to see that location post. This is super important when it comes to local marketing, and this is definitely an update that is going to help your business grow. This feature is going to help you connect with your local audience more efficiently and effectively, driving engagement and visibility for your business. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.